Okay, as many of you guys know, I have a Steam Deck now. So what we are going to do is go ahead and actually, first of all, make sure this is downloading. That's good. And second of all, more importantly, we're going to check out the themes, okay? Themes for keyboards. Okay, yes, you can use different keyboards. So we go to settings, we go all the way down to, I believe it's keyboard. This is the current keyboard, okay? But we don't always want the current keyboard. So we can actually visit the point shop, right? And then go ahead, put B, so it goes down there. We can see the different keyboards here that we can buy. I'll be honest, I want this digital one, but orange is my favorite color. But let's start with the digital one, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and press A on the digital one. It gives us a little showing of what it looks like here. So I'm going to go ahead and buy it, then equip it now. Now, because see, when you first buy, at least right now anyway, I don't know if that's a permanent thing, but at least right now when you buy the Steam Deck straight from Valve, on Steam, and I'll put a link in the description below, you actually get points. So we're going to see what it looks like, and that's what it looks like, okay? That is what it looks like, which it doesn't look too shabby if I'm being honest. Now I'm used to going forward and going up and what have you, but keep in mind that I can tap as well because this is a full touch screen as well. But wait, there's more. That's not just the keyboard, okay? There's also another customization we can do. We can do what's called startup movies, okay? This is startup movies. If we press this, it's not doing anything because we don't really have any startup movies. So we're going to go again to the point shop, okay? Now these are different startup movies from different games and whatnot. There's Elden Ring, Hades, God of War, Ragnarok, Last of Us. Just pick whatever you want. I feel like right now, especially since in the beginning of this, we started with the Warframe Warframe game, and this is the first. It is the first game I installed on here was Warframe, so I feel like I have to, man. I have to. Okay. Okay, let's see. Select that. Okay, Warframe from shop. Okay, so we have Warframe from shop, and then Warframe is now a default thing. Okay, so that means whenever it starts, we will get the Warframe movie. Okay, we will get the Warframe movie, and right now let's make sure Warframe is downloading. It is downloading. It's at 6% right now, which is better than nothing. But you know what? We are going to see that start animation. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit restart. Okay, confirm, yes. Okay, so let's see this Warframe start animation that we just got from the Steam store with the Steam Deck and whatnot. That the normal boot, yeah. There is the normal boot, as we know, and then any second now we should see the Warframe start animation. Yep, there we go. Warframe boot animation. There we go. And this is, like I said, this is brilliant. Honestly, I don't know if you guys can see how brilliant this screen looks from here. I don't think it does it justice, okay? It's a brilliant screen, super brilliant. And I do actually have a Warframe channel, guys. Speaking of Warframe, I'll put the link in the description below. I'll probably do a Warframe, how it runs on the Steam Deck, if you guys are interested. So I'm going to actually end it off here, and I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.